Boy, this Charlemagne the God shit is some funny ass shit, bro. Yo, this shit is too funny. Charlemagne the God. What the boy got? The boy, the boy, the boy put up a video about the boy Charlemagne getting stolen. Yo, that is too funny, yo. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. I'm still trying to figure out how to record like this. But it's funny. I mean, I'm an old street nigga. I don't really know a whole lot about computers. I mean, I'm alright. I'm Java alright with it. But I don't know how to put pictures up and all this and all that. You know what I mean? I'm still learning how to do this thing. So I'm tripping off of this brother talking about Charlemagne when he got stole on. Too funny, man. It's too much funny, man. That boy Charlemagne, man, you just started too much shit, bro. You just started too much shit, man. You hear me? Niggas on your ass now, boy. You just started some real shit. Niggas is on your ass. Charlemagne, the fucking apologize and shit. That shit was phony. It don't work. Ain't nobody trying to hear it. You phony. And I'm glad that big brother, or actually little big brother, Kwame, I'm glad that he caught it. You know what I mean? Caught it and got y'all asses behind it. You hear me? So I'm gonna sit back, trip, watch this thing play out, listen to this thing play out. It's too funny, man. It's too funny, man. Charlemagne, boy, you a funny motherfucker, boy. Yeah, I'm in an eatery. You know what I mean? Around where I'm from in Baltimore City. You know what I mean? It's called Lexington Market. You know what I mean? This is what we do, right? But I'm down here eating breakfast. Feel me? Tripping off that Kwame, Charlemagne shit. And I just seen fuck video with Charlemagne dumbass got stole. Went to run and took flight. Feel me? That shit was funny, man. That shit was too funny. But like I said, shouts to Kwame Brown, man. We need that, bro. All of us, you know, new entrepreneurs that's trying to come up out of our, situation because we have been uh, hoodwinked and bamboozled. We were told that we were from Africa, bro. Africa. Okay, so what happened to all of the copper colored indigenous people that was here before the so-called invasion? Where those people go? Y'all ain't kill everybody. Diseases ain't kill everybody. Y'all killed half of us. Right? But the other half of us, we still here, duh. We ain't gone nowhere. You know what I mean? We still here. We know, me and my boys, we know. My family, my tribe, we know. We indigenous to America, man. We already know this. I mean, we understand the land and the gold, and we understand the Preston John, and we understand King Dawi. We understand the Old Testament, the Tanakh, the Dead Sea Scrolls. These are things that we understand. Once you get into them, you'll understand what's going on. Khan, you'll understand Olmec. You'll understand copper-colored Indian. You'll understand. So, like I said, Kwame Brown, bro, I like you, man. You know what I mean? Because you putting them out there. You letting the elites know that shit dead, bro. That shit dead, man. We gonna keep the pressure. I mean, we got our feet on their necks. You hear me? So let's keep it going. You heard me? Let's keep it going. Red Eagle, man.